Springs can come in many forms and perform critical functions within mechanical designs. The spring tools are available on the Ribbon, Content tab, Calculation panel. Click the Springs drop-down and you can see that there are tools available for inserting compression springs, extension springs, torsion springs, and Belleville washers. Click Extension Springs. Next, choose the spring you need from the Select an Extension Spring dialog box. There are categories for choosing from a standard catalog of springs, a modified existing design, an empty form, or you can draw the springs. Click Standards, then select Catalog A, then a front view. In the drawing, indicate the starting point. Grab the center of the circle. For the direction, grab the center of the other circle below and to the right. And now the Extension Spring dialog box opens, which allows me to determine how I want to specify the spring. First, select the location. I can specify it by loads and deflections, loads and lengths, 2 loads at 2 lengths, 2 loads over travel, or I can go into a detailed design. I'll pick load length, then click Next. In the restrictions table, the current length is indicated as 6.2992 inches, with a force range of at most 18.0436 pounds of force to at most 24.0546 pounds of force. You can adjust these values to meet your needs. I'll click Next. Here, the 3 tabs show more detail about the available choices that were found in the catalog. Click the Loads tab and check the forces, or the Stresses tab to check the stresses. The other tab shows any more available detailed data. Click Finish to actually insert the part, and here I'll pick again the center of the second circle. Lastly, in the Extension Springs, Angle of View for Drawing dialog box, I need to pick what type of end condition I wish to show. I'll keep the default. I'm asked if there is a rod that this spring is going around, and in this case there's not, so I'll press Enter. And there is my spring. Let's erase this using the Power Erase command. Now we'll place another extension spring, but this time select the Only Draw, then the front view. The starting point is again the center of the top left circle, and the direction again is the center of the bottom right circle. And now, the Extension Springs Only Draw Inch dialog box opens. Here I can manually input wire diameters, outer diameters, number of coils, which direction the helix is going, and the look for each of the left and right ends, as well as what position those ends will be in. Click the icon to see the available choices. I will accept the default and click OK. Then Finish. At the prompt, indicate the total length by picking the center of the second circle. Keep the default. Again, I'm prompted if there is a rod that the spring is enclosing, but since there's not, I'll press Enter. If there was a rod in there, then the Hide command would have been run to blank out portions of the rod and portions of the spring.